Hey there, how's it going? This is a quick overview and diagnosis on a Samsung French door refrigerator not cooling. You're going to get your codes come up on this inside display over here. They'll come up on their own sometimes, or you have to go into a diagnosis mode and pull them. So once that code comes up, 23E, I have the information here and find out it's a condenser fan error. The computer's not receiving a signal from that. So what I need to do next is go to the board and check voltage at connections 5 and 1, and also check that feedback voltage at 9 and 1. So at this point, the fan, I found that it was jammed up. I turned it and it started rotating, but I did confirm voltage being supplied from the board, so I know that my board is sending voltage to it. Next, what I'm going to do is check that feedback voltage just to make sure everything's working the way it should. And there's the feedback voltage. This is the voltage that goes back to the board created from the fan that lets you know that it's working. If it doesn't see that, it'll send that signal and shut things down. So here you're gonna have to go ahead and disconnect it, and you got to be a little bit careful. There's 2 screws. Once you loosen those, you can slide it back, and you're gonna have to maneuver it and be careful around the refrigerant lines there. But basically what I wanted to go over was let the control board do the work. It'll take a lot of headache out, and you can pinpoint the issue without any guesswork.